Are you thinking about switching to digital menu boards in your restaurant? It's a great investment, but only if done right. Many restaurants spend money on technology but fail to see results. The problem often lies not in the technology but in how it's designed and used. Let's explore the common mistakes and how to avoid them. First, let's address the issue of readability. Using a font that's too small can turn potential customers away. Ensure your menu items are at least 36 p's and prices at 28p. Test your board from the actual viewing distance before launching it. Secondly, avoid overcrowding your screens. Packing too much information leads to confusion. Aim for 6 to 12 items per screen. If you have a larger menu, use multiple screens or rotating slides that focus on one category at a time. This helps keep customers engaged and open to exploring high-margin items. Never let content go stale. An outdated board does more harm than good. Keep your content fresh by committing to regular updates. Update specials weekly, review your full menu monthly, and refresh templates quarterly. Next, consider colour and contrast. Poor colour choices can make your menu unreadable. Always opt for high contrast. Dark text on light backgrounds works best. Test your board in your restaurant's lighting conditions to ensure visibility. Animations can grab attention, but overdoing it can be distracting. Use subtle transitions and reserve animations for special promotions. Clean typography often performs better than flashy animations. Positioning your screens correctly is crucial. Avoid mounting them too high or in locations where glare makes them unreadable. The ideal placement is eye level from the typical queue position, visible from at least 15 feet away. Don't ignore sold-out items. Keeping unavailable items listed frustrates customers. Update your board immediately when items sell out. Many platforms allow quick updates from smartphones. Utilize scheduling features of your digital software. This powerful tool allows you to display different content automatically throughout the day. Schedule breakfast menus, lunch boards, and happy hour specials to improve relevance and save staff time. Lastly, don't skip a content strategy. Plan what to display and when. A clear strategy includes what categories appear on each screen, rotation schedules, and responsibilities for content updates. A simple one-page plan shared with your team can ensure consistency. To maximize sales and enhance the customer experience, keep your menu boards clean and easy to read. Use high-quality visuals and consistent branding. Regularly update your content and strategically highlight promotions and best-selling products. A well-thought-out digital menu board not only helps customers make faster decisions, but it can also lead to increased engagement and higher revenue. Ready to elevate your restaurant's menu experience? Create your free account on Signage Space today and start implementing these tips right away.